Good morning. How y'all doing today? Hope y'all doing great. We are here to start our first episode of Learning to Code. So that is what we're going to do now. I so um I need to get on the coding bandwagon, and I've watched a bunch of YouTube videos, and at the end of them, they just keep saying, "Stop watching these videos and just actually do something." So um, that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna do something. I wanted to do a recipe storage website for my wife and I, so that we could just like store our bookmarks there and then filter through them, so that we could, be like, oh, I want what's that bread recipe or whatever. But she already has an app for that, so we're not going to do that. What we are going to do though is we are going to make a loadout um, selection for Call of Duty. Now, if you go to like if you look for Call of Duty, Call of Duty, uh, M16 loadout, you get well, I guess you get this too, which is fine, but it's not like, it's kind of ugly. Otherwise, you gotta, click on these websites and you just get a bunches of ads, and, it's just like, blah. Why would I? Hold on. There you go. You get these ads, and then you get to deal with all those cookie nonsense, and then, it's just, it slowly drip feeds it to you, so you have to spend more time on this website. I don't like that. I don't. And your other choice is to watch a you know 37-minute long YouTube video where the person has their face cam over all the things that they're picking, and so you can't see what they're doing. It's just a pain, and I want it to be more accessible, particularly for me, and then anyone else who wants to use it. But I when I when I play Call of Duty, whenever I do, I'll swap between weapons, and then if I delete a loadout, I got to go rewatch the video, and then you know I'm not gonna write it down on notepads like it's like I'm playing GTA 3 again. But yeah, so what I want to do is I want to make a website that just has Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 loadouts, just so that I can be like, oh, I want, what's the loadout from, like, YouTuber shoot 'em uppers for their M16 loadout. Now, then I would put in the YouTuber name, and then I would go to assault rifles M16, and then it would populate the loadout. Only problem with that is it's all going to be static data, so it's not going to be changing. Like whenever that YouTuber changes their loadout, it's not going to change on the website. The website's going to be it's going to have to be maintained by me. I'm going to have to go in and then change all the stuff, because there's no API, there's no database of every single YouTuber's weapon kit, which is fine. I just got to watch, a lot of YouTube videos and put them in there, depending on what I'm feeling like the other day. So I'm going to make this. And so let's get started on that process. Um, let's see here. So, what exactly am I going to do? Let's see here. Let's see. All right. What is the thing going to do? And let's see here. What resources will I need? Single page application, more than likely. Let's see here. Routes the pages. Actually, no, we're not gonna do that. Which page first? And my Huffy Boy burrito. Huffy Boy Burrito. Let's see here. Skeleton layout. Okay, so skeleton layout. Let's see here. Okay, so we're gonna have a nav bar on the top listing YouTuber and weapon types. Let's see here. Nav bar will be hover over for drop down. Submit will display only requested loadouts. I think that's what that's all we need. Yeah. Oh. Do I need YouTubers' permission to use? Take? Am I taking their loadout? I mean, they are creating a thing that they put it on the internet for, 35 minutes so that you watch it so that they get money from it. But if I take that information and put it on this website, is that copyright? I don't know. I think it'd be common decency to get someone's permission for that first, though. Then again, yeah, it's probably good practice to get permission, so I'll do that. Well, I'll try at least. Luckily for me, I'm a big old nobody, so I doubt this is primarily for practice. Okay, cool. So, let's see. What's it gonna do? It's gonna filter through. It's gonna filter through. Let's see here. Filter through weapons by YouTuber to show loadout. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay. We'll filter through YouTuber and display loadout. What resources will I need? Let's see. It's going to be a page. You're going to do this. It's going to go through that. So I'm just going to need, I just need a self-maintained database. I think it's going to be front end only. What page first? Welcome page. And the skeleton. Okay. So, the skeleton of the thing. So, let's go with this. Okay. Gonna have, well, okay, the welcome page first. So, here we go. Welcome to COD MW2 loadouts. These loadouts are static and do not change. Do not change as the YouTuber changes their load out live. Please visit linked YouTuber's page for video and showcase of weapon. That should be good. And I'll have that centered better. Let's see here. Then down here, I'll probably have. Actually, let's delete this. So I'll probably have my GitHub link and also have a email for Rex. And I think that'll be it. Oh, maybe I'll send them my YouTube. Oh man, if I, I'm gonna put my YouTube channel in here too. That way, in case anyone gets like super salty, they'll come in. They'll have to watch a video of mine. YouTube, personal. Actually, maybe I shouldn't do that. Nah, it doesn't matter. Personal YouTube. Okay, so we'll have personal YouTube recommendation for thing. I think I'll just put the GitHub link up here. Ooh, that's my bread. Yeah, that's important. So we'll do this. Should I have an age thing? I don't know. And awesome. Cool. So we're gonna have this is the page you come in on, and then it's gonna go once you click the enter button, it'll bring you. Actually, let's undo. No, it'll bring you to the next page, which is right here. And this one is where basically everything else is gonna happen. Nothing. There's 2 pages, and that's it. It's gonna be that one, and then this one. And so up here we're gonna have, it'll be CAD, Modern Warfare 2 logos or loadouts. Maybe I should use builds since that's it's a loadout. It's not a build. This isn't Destiny. Okay. Make this a little. There we go. Okay. Then we're gonna have that GitHub link up here. Still gonna have these down here. Okay. Then we're gonna have, let's see here. So we'll have a navigation bar right here. Probably about this big right here. Yeah. And then we're gonna have a line. So it'll be like SMGs, ARs, shotties. What do you got? Pistols, launchers, and whatever else is there. And we're gonna need a line. All right. Yeah. There. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna have a. Then we'll have a YouTuber. Hey, how'd you do that? Let go of my YouTuber. Well, okay then. And a YouTuber. So we're gonna have little drop downs. And I'll have a list of each weapon type. Need a it's a little shorter. There we go. A little longer. Cool. Some more lines. This doesn't have to be perfect. This is not the finished product. And then thank you. Okay. And there will be things written here. Cool. But only on hover. So only when you scroll over it will those populate. And then I need to make this page bigger because I need a submitter button. So there we go. Okay. And then right in here we will have the image, the weapon. I don't know what I don't know. M16. Let's see here. So we'll go. So I need a little hand thing right there, little trigger thing, and a magazine. Perfect. There you go. And we will, oops. And then we'll have the item. Oh. Oh. Listed right there. And then I will have we will have, actually, and we will have a number. Oops. And another number there. So I wonder if I can, I wonder how I dragged this whole thing around last time. Yep. So we're gonna copy that. Paste it again. There. 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 And that way you can see whatever you need it, whatever item it is, whatever tuning it is, and then that's it. That's the information you need. If it's like, oh, well, this weapon, this attachment only unlocks at like level 14, you'll see that when you go to put it on there, and you'll have that knowledge for later. Like, oh, I need to get this to level 14. Yeah. So that's this is what I want. This is the thing that I want to make. So now that we got that set up, now it's time to actually start coding. And that will happen tomorrow. So, I'm stoked. I need to find a YouTuber that'll let me steal their content. Excuse me. I need to find a YouTuber that'll let me steal their content so that I can make a website. All right. Great. thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for joining me on the first coding journey that I'm taking on. So hope you all had fun. If you have any recommendations or something, leave it in the comments. I'll probably start streaming this process tomorrow, and then I'll steal that and bring it to the tubes. Maybe I can highlight it or something. But yeah, okay. This looks like it'll. This doesn't look like it'll be difficult. I mean, this is. It doesn't. I just gotta make a couple boxes. I mean, we'll find out. That's for sure. So, okay. All right. Thank y'all very much. Y'all have a great day. I'll talk to you later.